Got that? Yep. Let me know when we're at 0. Keep it into the wind. Okay, drop the sail. So here we are at Meek's patch on the west side of the island. The sand flea is right out there. We just sailed in and then brought the dinghy over here, put a stern anchor out the back, and then tied the yellow rope to something over there on the shore. And we're at what used to be a staircase. Well, I guess it still is technically a staircase, but something used to be here. Maybe a dock of some sort on this side. There is Tambi. There is Molly. And we are about to harvest some coconuts with this contraption that we have here. Isn't that right, Tambi?
That is correct.
By the way, I am kind of yelling because we are using the GoPro. My other camera, right there, has stopped working, so bear with the crappy audio. Okay, What have you got there, Tambi?
It's our whisker pole and a boat hook.
Whisker pole and a boat hook, okay.
Also known as the nut jiggler.
Now, as far as coconut selection goes, if we're talking about the standard coconut tree found here in the Bahamas, basically the greener the coconut is, the more water that it has inside it. And then when it starts to turn yellow or brown, then it gets much more meaty. So we are trying to select a good meaty coconut, and I think those right there should be extra meaty. Tambi! I found one! Oh, good job, Tambi. Oh, mama. What do you think, Tambi?
Good nuts.
Those are some top quality coconuts. So these are the two that Tambi just knocked down. These are very brown compared to the green ones that she just knocked down. I can hear, I don't know if the camera will pick up that, but I can hear water still on the inside. So that means that these are still good, most likely. But we'll see. So we'll chop open these green ones and these brown ones and see what's inside. Okay, so as you're chopping the kind of the fleshy part off the outside, you'll reach a part where it gets to kind of this tougher wooden feeling part on the inside. That is the coconut itself. So you don't want to crack that. You want to just kind of keep going around the edge and get all of the fiber stuff off. Okay, and there you have it. This is the inner nut from one of those green hulled coconuts. And you really don't have to take the green ones down this far. All you really have to do is kind of expose the top end of the nut part and then chop it off so that you can drink the coconut milk from the inside. But I just wanted to show you what it looked like. So good.
Oh yeah, it's
good. This meat inside the green coconuts like this is very soft. Really easy to cut out. And you can definitely eat it. You can eat this stuff at really any of the mature stages of the coconut. It doesn't have much coconut taste at all, really. But you can eat it. All right, now we're gonna chop open this really brown guy. So I'm expecting this one to be really meaty and very little water on the inside. We'll see. Okay, so this is the inner coconut from that really brown husked one. It's a little bit bigger. Boy, that one was harder to get the husk off for sure. And I can hear just a little bit of water on the inside. That's usually the indicator of whether it's still good or not. Sometimes you find these brown ones on the ground, and if you just shake them, if you hear water on the inside, usually that means they're still good. This brown coconut here, this looks a lot more like what you would find like in the supermarket, don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of heavy. Here, Tambi, here, take hold of that nut. Let me see what you think.
I hear water in it too.
Yeah?
Pretty good.
meat of this one is like super tough. Really thick, really tough. Oh, it's like a very, very coconut tasting. Like this one really tastes good. More of a stronger taste, right? Like it's sweet, it's good. It kind of, to me, it tastes a little bit like pecan. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Yeah! So if you get it right, it breaks like that, just in 2 perfectly clean halves. In which case, maybe we could make a nice bikini for Tambi.
Yeah, that one's got a hole in it though. It might.
Oh yeah, this would not be very good for bikini usage.
Very risque bikini.
Yeah. So we have a pile of coconut that we're taking back with us. Excellent work, Nut Jiggler. Excellent work, Admiral.
Thank you. So while Ben and I have been harvesting coconuts, I'll show you what Molly's been up to.
Follow me.
All right, go for it. Oh! Oh, crap. I fell down. Oh, thank you, Molly. I lost my crock. As you get down to this part here, you'll start to feel where it has like the really hard, woody kind of, sorry. Molly says she has a trick that she wants to show everybody. All right, let's see it, Molly. Ah! Oh my goodness. Good. Oh man. Wow. Doesn't that hurt?
No.